What's this? Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, southern Genesee County in southeastern Michigan, until 11 p.m. At 10:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Byron to near
I don't like that song in the
60
background.
miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Linden around 10:20 p.m. Phantom around 10:25 p.m. Lake Fenton around 10:30 p.m. Grand Blanc and Goodrich around 10:35 p.m. Davison and Burton around 10:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Grand Blanc, Phantom, Holly, Davison, Burton, Lake Fenton, Linden, Gaines, Goodrich, and Atlas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, and Oakland. The tornado warning for northeastern Livingston